Welcome to N22 News, your trusted source for global updates and breaking headlines. You're watching N22 News, where every minute counts and every headline matters. Arizona prepares for massive crowd at Charlie Kirk Memorial. Authorities in Arizona say they are preparing for an unusually large turnout at the upcoming memorial service for conservative activist Charlie Kirk. Police estimate as many as 100,000 supporters could attend, prompting extensive security planning and traffic control measures. Local officials are coordinating with event organizers to ensure public safety and manage the influx of visitors. Kirk, a prominent figure in conservative politics, had built a significant following across the U.S., and his death has sparked tributes nationwide. Cyberattack hits European airports. Meanwhile, a major cyber attack has disrupted check-in and boarding systems at several of Europe's busiest airports. Passengers in major hubs, including Frankfurt, Paris, and Amsterdam, reported delays and cancellations, with long queues forming as airlines were forced to process travelers manually. Authorities believe the incident was a coordinated digital assault on airport IT networks, though investigations are still underway. Officials stress that while the attack has caused significant disruption, flight safety was never compromised. Cybersecurity teams are working to restore full operations as quickly as possible.